like old and antique. Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel and welcome to another vlog. So today is very exciting because we are going to
zum Flohmarkt.
we're going to a flea market in our city, and that's very exciting because they haven't been happening for like a year. On my list of things that I'm searching for is just like glasses, any type of glasses. Honestly, we don't have any wine glasses at all in like our flat that belong to us, and I would also like some upgraded water glasses. Some nice water glasses would also be really nice, and then baskets, probably just baskets, and then we'll just see what else we find. What's on your list, honey?
Glasses.
Glasses.
That's pretty much it.
Yeah.
Let's see what's there.
Maybe a salad bowl would be nice. Get you a nice wooden salad bowl. Or like some cool vintage things. I don't know. Alright, so we just got back from the flea market, and I mean, we were a little bit successful. We didn't actually get anything that was on our list to get, but what we did get, I'm pretty happy about. We actually got a rolling pin, and it's this one. I really like it because it looks really like old and antique, but I think it's actually going to be really nice, and you know, it's really like smooth on it. It's not so old that it's like falling apart. So yeah, that was the only thing that we were able to find. I think just because we live in a smaller city, so like the first time I ever went to a flea market was in like a bigger community. It was like a community of villages, and so first off, the actual flea market was a lot bigger. There were a lot more people there, but I also thought the stuff was a lot better. Like at this one, it was kind of, I don't know, there's just a lot of like knickknacks and just kind of like junk. So I think later this month, before we go to Canada, I would like to visit another flea market and maybe go to a bigger city around us. I think, you know, naturally in a bigger city there would be more people selling, just more stuff, and a better opportunity to find the stuff that we're looking for. I'm going to start making some lunch for us, and I found this really nice recipe from Pick Up Limes. It's a vegan green what is it, like a green curry soup kind of thing, but it looks really good. I saw it on our Instagram, so I'll link the recipe below, and yeah, let's go make that together. this meal looks so tasty. Like, oh, look at that. It looks so good. This actually has turned out the best that I have ever made green curry. The first time I made green curry, it tasted good, but it didn't look very good. This looks beautiful, and I think it's going to taste amazing. So I will definitely leave it linked in the description. It has peas, which were from our garden, which is super nice, and some peppers, and then rice noodles, tofu, lots of spices, and I'm so excited to eat it. Sunday, everybody, and a good morning to you. It's not morning time anymore. It's like 1 o'clock, and I just ate breakfast like half an hour ago. So it's been a very slow day. We had a bit of a sleep in this morning, and then I literally spent probably like 2 hours knitting outside in the sun and slowly drinking 2 cups of coffee. That's been my habit recently, is just very slowly drinking coffee throughout like the whole morning. And then I don't know why I never get hungry in the morning because of this. And then the other thing I was doing this morning was listening to a podcast. I've kind of gotten back into podcasts recently. So this morning I was listening to the Bible Project podcast. It was a really, really interesting one about genealogies and stuff. And the other podcast that I have been loving recently, I really liked it a year ago, and now I'm getting back into it, and it's called the Plant Proof Podcast. And I think the author or the speaker is called Simon Hill. That one I actually really love because he always has these doctors and other people coming on to the podcast, and he's interviewing them. And it is so interesting, and I love to listen to a podcast and just like walk around. You know, if it's raining, I'll walk around inside, or I'll go outside and walk. But that has been my new thing. I love podcasts now. So what I'm going to be doing today, just this afternoon, is cleaning. Our flat gets dirty so fast, and I really need to make a habit of once a month, or no, not once a month. I need to make a habit of once a week giving it a solid clean, especially the floors. It is my biggest pet peeve when the floors are dirty, and so I vacuum the floors a lot, but they need to get like actually mopped and like cleaned more often. So I need to do that today because there's some footprints. I feel like the last few times I've actually cleaned the floors, then like the next day there'll be people coming into our flat with shoes on or like big boots, and then there's all these footprints on the floor and I just cleaned it, so that I always put it off until the next time that I clean the floors. And yeah, I don't know, I don't like mopping so much. I like vacuuming, but mopping I don't like so much. So we're gonna do that now. Let's bake something together. Let's make some cardamom rolls, because they're my favorite. Okay guys, look at this. I made a London fog and it's like a cloud. I love it. We just got a milk frother, like it literally just got delivered today. I think that's going to be one of the best purchases that we have made in a long time. But let's check out these cardamom rolls. Well, cardamom and sesame rolls. They're very dark on top, but I think that's fine. The only thing is that then they don't look quite as nice, but it's okay if they're a little dark. Let's taste it. So that's really good. Yeah, so I think because sesame isn't such like an intense, strong flavor like cardamom, then it isn't as noticeable. Like I can taste it, but it's not as strong as the cardamom in the rolls. Like I can still taste both. You know what I mean? I don't know. But they are really good. So I really just added an extra like 3 tablespoons of ground black sesame seeds into the filling. I'm with it. And I'll also link the recipe down in the description if you guys want to check it out. I've made this one a few times, quite often, and I love it so much. Yeah, and I think my little cloud and I are going to say goodbye now. I'm going to end this vlog so I can edit it, get it uploaded for you guys for Wednesday. And yeah, I hope you guys had fun spending some time with me. If you like this vlog, then please give it a big thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel for more. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!